Excuse me, may last batch pa ba?
Wala
na batch? Yung kasama namin, wala. Wala yung isa namin kasama.
Sige sir, ask ko yun.
Okay.
Sige, pangalan ko.
Philip.
Philip.
Ladasa. Next stop, mapit na. Pag-asawa na, pasagdanan. Batong Kauban.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Cebu welcomes you to the Queen City of the South, Cebu. Thanking you for making Cebu your airline of choice.
Hindi ka malipayan na ningala ka. Ningaw daw kaya. Kamu ang trabaho lang kinmiyami ba?
Hindi nang lang kita kwarta. Palayo ta sa itong hinigugma ba? Bantahon na lang nato.
Mau ba?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Yo people, welcome to Pitok University. Unami karon diri sa Ubec or Cebu. With Philip at the back, di siya malipayon kay layo sa siyang asawa. Of course, si Lingling. So, ang among hotel nga gisudlan is ang pangalan kay Toyoko Inn. Toyoko Inn. Dagan ba kay Toyo dari? So, mo ni siya ang ilang room. Twin bed ni siya, no?
Twin bed.
So, ato ning natay room, kuan. Na sila yung mga Holy Bible. Kompleto na ay The Teaching of Buddha. Na Holy Bible. Na Nishida na Concept, Reflection of Happiness and Success. Oy, tol. Pero bagay ni siya mo, tol. Kailangan ka ni Naikan Self-Reflection for Happiness and Success. Wow, may blower. Okay, very good. May samin. May telepono. This is a non-smoking area. Wow, may massage. Room massage. May TV. May aircon, mapamuon. Sa ilalom, may kapihan. Okay, so makapangapita dirigikan sa Japan. Kung sa mani, wow, in case of brownout, may flashlight. First time ko kita kingani ba? Fairness ha, galing. Ang akong ikabalakan ani, Japan Hotel man din eh. So pagbalikan. Okay. May ref. Ref. Naikuan. Nangita mi sa cabinet. Walay cabinet diri.
Wala.
Wala CR. Dito sa CRB. Agoy mo nang giingon tol. Di masabtan ang CR ani ron. Ang imong gihugas ba, mura po mo adto dito sa imong halak ka, patay na ni ron. Unsaon pag halak ka. Anao. Kanin sa mani? Nozzle cleaning. Okay lang CR. Wow, may bathtub. Pwede rin nga no? Hapon giri ang igisukod ani mubo man kayo. Ay sus na ibutanganan diri. Sa mani tol. Parang saan? Sa likod ka tol. Parang saan ni? Comment below kung saan ni.
Dalunggan.
Sa dalunggan. Oh my God. Sa mani? Nice sleepers.
100.
Magwapo.
Gray balay.
Wow.
Mas may plancha diri.
Hapon gyapon. Nana mo dia?
Sorry, manginang tawag siya kay traffic traffic get kaloy.
Okay, nana mi dire. Sulod na mi.
Okay, say mo.
Nakumbas sinabi ko na sa kanya.
Sir, nakita ako na kami pala yung
Grab ka? Sige. Larga.
Tomorrow.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Got the rap patrol on the Gat Patrol. Foes that want to make sure my cask is closed. Rap critics to say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid. What type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dough. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef for radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well, I don't give a shit. So, Rap Max try to use my black ass, so advertisers give them more cash for ass fuckers. I don't know what you take me as, so understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
Tulbong kimigan.
Ready to fire.
Tulbong kayo maka-insecure. Nawawan ka.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Sanay ka ni Liampo. Tapos na ay ginabot. Kalami ka yung ginabot, brother.
Ay, so crazy nga. Tipsy or matiyo.
Kani, saan ni boss? Moyong. Huwag ang alimango. Lami kayo. Kani, lami, brother. Ginabot. Suka. Crispy kayo ba? Crispy kayo.
Tipsy. Tipsy lang ako.
Tempo. Ayan ang moyong. Sarap. Perfect.
Enjoy sa.
Ito. Ang puso nila, piting gamaya. 4 rin. So, swerte yan punta sa kagayan niya. Dahil 4 ang puso. Dahil gagmay ka na. Without this ambition, si Duterte na po yung dahilan ng mahal ng sili.
Pakpaksan mo ha, pag-ibita ko na duri. Inuuya mo na ako eh. Nabiyaan mo din tagigagagay di oro, manay din eh. Walay nakailas ako sa hotel, operator, wakailas. Pasunod ako, 5 rin ni Pakpak, inuuya na ako eh. Muli lang na eh. Mahalang gabi, kanatong tara!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Daniel, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Excuse me, may last batch pa ba?
Wala
Na batch? Wala, yung kasama namin, wala. Wala yung isa namin kasama.
Sige sir, ask ko yun.
Okay.
Sige, pangalan ko.
Philip
Philip
Radasa.
Radanza.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're paging for Philip Radasa. Kindly raise your hand if you're on board.
Ayun, kung pala.
Thank you so much.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely
Alright, people. Kabalik namin sa Cagayan de Oro. Daghang salamat Cebu. Congratulations again kang Dandan. Kasi ito? Si Earl o si Dandan? Earl and Dandan, congratulations. Salamat kayo na part me sa inyong kasal. Thank you very much. And nako sa laging din import. Kauban ako si driver Lito G. Sus now, then Lito. And that's it guys. Diretso na may duty pa. Okay? Thank you. Please, ang wala pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na mo. Bye.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.